In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Applixure to identify software version sprawl in your environment in under 10 seconds. Now, it's crucial for IT teams to be actively managing and monitoring the life cycle of their applications to ensure optimal performance, security, and compliance. The presence of multiple software versions can significantly increase support and maintenance efforts. So the first thing for IT to do to remedy this issue is to quickly identify which and how many software versions you have in use. So let's start the clock to see if we can find them in 10 seconds or less. So we go from our Applixure dashboard to software, scroll down to software versions, click on the software versions where there's more than 15 versions on the software, and there we have it, stop the clock. And how quick was that? So in less than 10 seconds, we've now got a list of all of our software products with more than 15 versions in use. We could edit that to those over 10, and we've got 34 matches for software products with more than 10 versions in use, for example. So what I'm able to do is I'm able to sort the list. I'm able to sort by versions, installations, and score. I can export the list. But let's take a look at one of the software. Google Chrome is always a good example. And look at all of those versions that we've got in use. And I just checked this oldest version here. This is almost 2 years old in a few months' time. So seriously vulnerable and needs to be, this device that's using this needs to be moved onto the most up-to-date version. So there you have it. So if you'd like to find out your current status of software version sprawl in your computer environment, or any other issues for that matter, you can try Applixure for free. So basically, you just install Applixure in a few minutes and gain full visibility of your entire end user environment in the coming days as the data starts to flow in. So feel free to go to applixure.com right now and give it a try.